Why is the Audi R8 V10 called one of the last true supercars with a naturally aspirated V10 engine? Because this beast is not just fast. It's pure emotion on wheels. Before we continue, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and motivates us to bring you more amazing supercar content. Your support means a lot. Thank you. Imagine pressing the accelerator and hearing a screaming V10 engine roar behind your head. No fake sound, no turbo lag, just raw power. That's the magic of the Audi R8 V10. A car that looks futuristic, drives like a race car, and still feels luxurious every single day. The Audi R8 was first launched in 2006 by Audi.com, and over the years, it became one of the most iconic supercars in the world. But the V10 version changed everything. Its engine was actually inspired by the same engineering used in Lamborghini.com cars. That's why many people call the R8 the everyday Lamborghini. Under the hood, the Audi R8 V10 comes with a massive 5.2-liter, naturally aspirated V10 engine. Yes, over 600 horsepower in the performance model. And the sound? Absolutely insane. The car can go from, that's faster than many race cars from the past. Its top speed is around 330 kilometers per hour. And thanks to Audi's legendary Quattro. Now let's talk about the design. The Audi R8 looks aggressive, but clean and elegant at the same time. Its sharp LED headlights, low stance, giant air intakes, and wide rear body make it look like a machine from the future. And when those exhaust pipes start glowing at night, the car looks absolutely cinematic. Inside the cabin, Audi kept everything driver-focused. Premium leather, a virtual cockpit, sporty seats, and a steering wheel that feels straight out of a supercar game. People love the Audi R8 because it gives supercar performance without being too difficult to drive every day. Unlike many exotic cars, the R8 is comfortable, reliable, and surprisingly practical. You can drive it in the city or take it to a racetrack and still have an amazing experience. But there's one more reason why this car is special. The world is moving toward electric cars and smaller turbo engines, which means naturally aspirated V10 engines are slowly disappearing. And that makes the Audi R8 V10 a future legend. So the next time you hear the scream of a V10 engine, remember this car. The Audi R8 isn't just about speed. It's about emotion, sound, and pure driving passion. And honestly, cars like this may never come again. If you love supercars, engines, and luxury machines, subscribe for more cinematic car stories.